Present tense verbs. For most verbs, the present tense is formed by adding the appropriate personal ending to the verb stem. The verb stem is obtained by removing the infinitive marker
AE.
from the infinitive form of the verb. For example, the infinitive form of
Sanoa.
to form the present tense, remove the ending to get the verb stem.
Sano.
Then, add the personal endings.
Sanoen. Sanoat. Sanoa. Sanomme. Sanotte. Sanovat.
I say. You say. He or she says. We say. You say. They say. Some verbs have irregular present tense forms and need to be memorized. For example,
Olla.
to be has the following present tense forms:
Olen.
I am,
Olet.
you are,
On.
he or she is,
Olemme.
we are,
Olette.
you are,
Ovat.
they are. Remember, personal endings vary depending on the subject of the sentence. Here are the present tense personal endings. Using present tense. I study Finnish.
Minä opiskelen suomea.
He or she is reading a book.
Hän lukee kirjaa.
You are writing a message.
Sinä kirjoitat viestiä.
We are listening to music.
Me kuuntelemme musiikkia.
You speak English.
Te puhutte englantia.
They are watching television.
He katsovat televisiota.
I like dogs.
Minä pidän koirista.
He or she loves chocolate.
Hän rakastaa suklaata.
You play soccer.
Sinä pelaat jalkapalloa.
We are eating lunch.
Me syömme lounasta.
They paint pictures.
He maalaavat tauluja.
I swim in the sea.
Minä uin meressä.
He plays with children.
Hän leikkii lasten kanssa.
You brush your hair.
Sinä harjaat hiuksesi.
We are taking pictures of landscapes.
Me kuvaamme maisemia.
You play video games.
Te pelaatte videopelejä.
They sleep soundly.
He nukkuvat sikeästi.
I hug a friend.
Minä halaan ystävää.
She walks in the park.
Hän kävelee puistossa.
You shop at the store.
Sinä ostoksentelet kaupassa.
We are sitting on a bench.
Me istumme penkillä. Hei hei,